How to hide app names on the Android's phone screen. So if you want to hide those names such as Gallery, Store, Play Store, and so on your home screen, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, just find and open your settings. Now, scroll a bit down till the home screen. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S22 for this example, so in my case, it's called home screen. And here we can see app labels. So to turn off app names, we just need to toggle off the switch next to app labels. And if we go back to the home screen, we'll see that now we can see names only in the app drawer, but not on the home screen directly. Now, if for some reason you don't see this feature, or maybe you are using another device, then you can just search for something similar as show app names. Maybe with this way you will find the setting. It could be placed in the themes, in the home screen settings, in the personalization, something like that. Also, how you can access this customization is to press and hold your home screen, and on the bottom click on settings, and then you will immediately see it. And if you want to change the app size, you can just drag the slider to the right side to increase the app size, or to the left side, let's just go back, to the left side to decrease, just like that. And what else we can do here is we can just enable or disable to see the widget labels as well. For example, you will add weather widget, and then you will see that it is the weather widget on the bottom, or you can just turn that off and it won't be displayed. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.